What's up guys, it's your boy Jifty here, back to it again with another video, and today we're gonna review this Volkswagen Golf right here, right? It's by Golf. Okay, yep, there. Oh, okay, that's cool. So first detail I noticed right away is instead of saying Volkswagen Golf, they put the Volkswagen logo right there instead. So Majorette, that's really nice. So here's all the information, made in France, metal base. So check this out. And classic Majorette cars, I actually kind of like them, you know. On the Majorette Instagram page, I see them post some of their vintage cars, and some of them are really nice. Like I hope Majorette will re-release them. And this Golf in particular, I hear there's a lot of Golf fans, right? So this one must be pretty special to you because it's a Golf, right? So it looks really cool. It has suspension right here. There you go, and they're quite bouncy as well. Majorette suspensions back then is really nice. Nowadays, some of the cars don't really have suspension, and if they do, they're not that good. But this one is pretty spongy, so that's really cool. And it comes with this nice red paint, and Golf is written on the side. I mean, yeah, it's gone, but you can say it's Golf. On the rear, is there? Oh, there you go. Yeah, opening features. That's right, a molded license plate and a hook. If you have anything to hook behind the car, that's cool. Oh, look at that. There's some things on the back. You can see some badminton rackets right there. The balls. Is that like crowbar? Some shoes. And on the left is gloves. Yeah, that's how detailed they are that I can recognize what these actually are, man. Majorette, touche to you, man. Those are some nice details. But on the front, oh, look at that, plastic front lights, which are kind of strange because the windows are orange and it's part of the orange window, so the headlights are orange. It looks like the whole front light of the car is the turning signal light, which is kind of strange, but still pretty cool that they actually made a plastic piece for the car. But yeah, overall this Golf right here is a really nice touch, especially the opening rear trunk. Those nice details, and despite the lack of front or rear light tempos, this is a nice vintage car right here to add to my collection. And if this was mint, from a scale of 1 to 10, I'll rate this car a 9.5 out of 10. Really cool casting right here. Check this out.